Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Google and opening Images. Google.com. Doing this ensures saved results and settings sync. Once done, pick your device. Desktop gives full tools. Mobile is okay for quick tasks. Next, decide the image source. Upload a file, paste an image URL, or type descriptive keywords. This first step sets context and precision, so make sure to prepare accurate keywords or a clear image file. Doing that now speeds everything else. You enter descriptive keywords and then apply filters like size, color, type, and time to narrow results. This reduces noise and surfaces relevant images faster. If you need exact matches, click the camera icon and upload the image or paste its URL. Google then performs reverse image search. Once results appear, use advanced operators such as cite or file type to focus on specific sources or formats, because targeting saves time and improves outcome accuracy. You finish by reviewing results, downloading images, or saving them to Drive. Always check usage rights if you plan to reuse images commercially. If results look irrelevant, tweak your keywords, swap to synonyms, or upload a clearer picture. Small changes often produce dramatically better matches. Finally, use reverse image matches to find higher resolution copies or original source pages. If things go wrong, retry with a different crop or keyword set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.